Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking the easiest roast beef ever. This is a great one-pot dish using just a slow cooker. You could also do this with a crock pot in the oven. This recipe gives you a tender roast beef with little effort. To start, you'll need a slow cooker set to high. Next, add 2 cups of beef stock, followed by 1 packet of French onion soup mix. This will give a whole lot of flavour with very little effort. Stir the soup mix into the stock. Then add a handful of mushrooms. Finally, a tablespoon of black pepper. Mix it all together. I'm not going to add any extra salt because there's plenty in the stock and the soup mix. Next, add 1 kilo of blade steak. Just depends on how you feel, but I leave the fat cap on, allowing for more flavour. Cover with the lid and cook for 7 to 8 hours until tender, but not falling apart. Make sure to turn the roast over every couple of hours. After roughly about 8 hours, remove the beef from the slow cooker. Make sure you allow it to rest for about 15 minutes before slicing. There you have it, the easiest roast beef ever. The meat is lovely and tender, but packs a whole lot of flavour. When serving, make sure to spoon on some of that beautiful liquid from the slow cooker. It's an easy meal that can feed a lot of people with little effort and not a lot of cost. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.